Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from Marinemax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a 2021 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck outboard. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through some of the cool features on it and some of the options on this boat as well. So as you can see, it has the optional sports tower with bimini. The boat also comes with a full cockpit tonneau cover. This is going to be your pump out right here for the pump out head. The boat's in nice condition, no bottom paint on the boat. And then in the back, we've got the V8 300 horsepower Verado. So horsepower to weight ratio is great. This is digital throttle and shift. The boat only has 125 hours on it. The B service was just done in January of 2025. Underneath here, we've got our trim tabs there, which are going to be standard on the boat. And the hull color in this is called Horizon. It's a really pretty hull color. The boat was also professionally detailed, so the detail came out nice. So the 27 has been a super popular boat. It's a great family boat. It's kind of a sport utility. You can do a lot with it. Gives you the big lounger seats in the back, and since it's an outboard, it has a tremendous amount of storage underneath these seats. This one also has your sea deck in the back of the boat. This is your freshwater shower, so if you're in the back of the boat and want to kind of shower off when you get out of the water, that works out great. This one does have a ski pylon right here, as well as two rod holders. It's got the infinity woven removable carpeting. So I've got the carpeting down now, but of course you can take the carpeting up if you would like to. This particular one does have, the owner did some diving, so he's got rod racks right here. In the back, we've got our dual batteries right here with switch, and lots of storage all the way around the boat. This is dedicated storage here for your cooler, and then you also have dedicated storage here as well that goes down there very deep, so that works out really good. And for seating, this boat's yacht certification, so you can take as many people as you would like, as long as they have a life jacket. But great seating all the way around the boat. A lot of people really like the sportiness of the sports arch here. And then here at the dash, we've got Fusion stereo, and again, we mentioned digital throttle and shift here for the Mercury. Trim tabs that we talked about before, and your Simrad screen right here. So that's going to be a GPS, chart plotter, and depth sounder. Then we go up front, and you get, because of the shape of the boat, it gives you a lot of interior space. So that works out nice. We also have a freshwater shower in the front. And then dedicated storage here for your anchor, as well as your front dive ladder. So you can get off the boat from the front of the boat or the back of the boat. Nice, comfortable loungers up front. Once again, lots of storage here and lots of storage right here. And underneath your console, this one does have your two tables right here, two cockpit tables that come with it. These seats roll fore and aft, and they've got the thigh rise, so it's very comfortable. So just to recap, 2021 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck outboard. The boat's located at Marinemax in Venice. So if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. I'm the listing broker, and my number is 941-376-3345. Thank you again for taking the time, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.